Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to enable iMessage on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. So first we need to go to settings. After that you need to scroll down and find messages. Click here, and after that you must turn on this little setting. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone. See you later.